Good morning, everyone. I want to give you an update on the garden. It's either April 18th or 19th. You know how it is when you're old, you just forget what day it is. I know it's Saturday. I want to show you the potatoes I just dug. Here's the vines. They were starting to turn yellow. I could have left them in the ground longer, but I needed the space, plus I needed to get them away from my tomatoes. Here's the ones I just dug. Out of 3 plants, I had new potatoes, get eyes on them. The potatoes I bought at the grocery store. And they say don't plant them, that they won't grow, but every time I plant them, they grow wonderfully. So those pretty things are going to be in a pot probably tonight. Look at the tomatoes. That variety is called Red Snapper. I had never heard of it, but it was at the feed store early, so I bought it. Here's more potatoes. Here's some tomatoes. These came up from last year. Here's the dill. It's not looking as good as it did. Here's the beautiful eggplant. Look at here. We have a little eggplant. I can get down in here. I have a little eggplant coming up. This sage is beautiful. Bell pepper, basil. Here's a Cherokee purple tomatoes. Some more potatoes. These are actually seed potatoes because I bought seed potatoes to put in the ground. That is cilantro going to seed, and a couple more tomatoes. Let's walk out here. The roses are still blooming, but not as pretty as they were last weekend, but they're still loaded and they're still growing well. I picked these green beans this morning, which will be great in a pot with those new potatoes. This is about 12 foot of green beans, and this is not the first time I've picked them. Green beans are so prolific. The carrots are doing good. The new cucumbers I planted are coming up good. There's actually a bloom on one, but that's one that lasted from the first time. Here's the flowers. Corn, green beans, and squash back there. Here are the potatoes, the seed potatoes that I put in the ground. And there's the onions. I'm going to start harvesting them as I need them. Some more tomatoes. There's Sissy. She likes to be in all the videos. When she's not off hunting, she catches whole rabbits and brings them to the house. I want to show you. This is the Tithonia. If you came to my show, I gave away seeds, and this is some of the seeds I gave away. This will get taller than me, which of course isn't very tall, and as long as it's watered, it will do well, and those flowers will just cover it, and every flower will make 100 seeds. So if you got some from me and planted them, they come up real easily. They're not hard to come up. Here's the pretty rose. I've been trying to deadhead it, see if it'll keep blooming more, but it is putting on lots of wonderful foliage. I'm trying to get it to go all the way across up here. Well, that's about it for today. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I pray for rain for everyone that needs it. So many of our followers in Georgia and North Carolina and places like that say they've not had any rain. And believe me, we know all about not having rain. We're supposed to get some this weekend, and I hope it goes all over this country.